Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a pack of seeds by doing the Hungry Plant quest. So we're just going to go to the middle of the game. Select talk. It says, feed me a strawberry that weighs at least 0.35 kilograms. Let me see if I have some that I can give, or else I'm just going to claim everything first. I think there should be one there. Let's go back to the place here. So I'm just going to give this one because it is above 0.35 kilograms. You're just going to select E, and then you're going to select take this plant. If it is the correct plant, the Angry Plant is going to give you a basic seed pack, and you can get from all of these options. There's raspberry, cranberry, and durian. I think that's all. Just take out the seed and to plant it, I'm just going to put it here. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.